Hey everybody, Randy from Happy Maple Nursery. And today we're going to do some work on these ficuses. These were taken as cuttings. They're now starting to put on some great leafy growth. And it's a great time to put some movement into them. As you can see, they're pretty straight, kind of boring. So we're just looking to give ourselves some options. We have one here to show you. Just put some bends, hopefully not all S shapes, can get a little repetitive, and give ourselves options for the future. We'll be using our recycled wire. If you haven't had the joys of seeing some of our recycled wire bin on the feed yet, here it is in all its glory. We like to reuse and our materials where we can. And so we're going to go through and just do some basic work just to set the trees up for the springtime, where we'll do some more extensive work, likely have to remove that wire by then, as it'll probably start to bite. These guys are going to start to grow pretty quickly, and then probably reset it with some wire and do some light root work. But in the meantime, I'll just show you how we go about this. Here's our after. You can see we got some pretty crazy bends and all these young trees. We did remove a few leaves to expose some lower buds, which will hopefully wake up and add to the vigor of the tree. We had one little break, so we'll keep an eye on that. If it doesn't pull through, then the lower bud should take off. If you like the video, subscribe and follow. There'll be more like this to come in the future.